Hello everyone! Welcome to another video of the Ultimate Science Kit Experiments. Welcome to our channel.
LiNaKAlBeCa.
Yes, today we are going to do which experiment?
We are going to do our experiment
Number 8.
Colorful jewels.
Yes, make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any videos that we upload every Saturday.
And Friday.
Yes. Okay, so what do we need for this? We need
2 cups.
Yeah.
Spatula.
Yes.
Measuring cylinder. Stirring stick. Crystal powder. Red color. Blue color. Materials from home. Water.
Yes. So let us set up all the things we require.
2 cups.
1 and 2. Very good.
We need to add 15. First step.
No, first let's bring all the materials.
Okay.
Okay, spatula.
Spatula.
Yes, stirring stick.
Stirring stick.
Measuring cylinder.
Measuring cylinder. Crystal powder.
Oh, what's this magical ingredient? I never heard of it. Let's check what magic it does. Okay, red color and blue color. Okay, so what is the first step?
First step. Measure 15 ml water in the measuring cylinder and pour it into the first cup.
Okay, so measure 15. Okay, we'll remove this to the side.
We need to measure 15 ml water.
Yeah. So is it 15 ml? Show it to them. It's not that you have to exactly put 15 ml, but it's okay. I think it is. Yes, approximately 15 ml. Yes.
Yes. So let's add it in the first cup.
Okay. Now,
next step. Add 2 drops of red color in the same cup and mix. Now add 1 scoop of crystal powder into the cup. Okay. We need to add 2 drops of red color
into the first cup.
First cup. 1, 2.
Yes, and mix.
And let's stir it with the stick. Wow.
Okay. Now you should add one scoop of crystal powder.
1 scoop of the magical ingredient.
Yes. Show it here. Okay. 1 scoop in there it goes inside.
Now let's see. Something's happening. It's like
it's becoming solid.
I think something is happening. It's just swelling up here.
Yes.
It's still water here. See,
and do it there.
Oh, let's stir it. I think all the water will be soaked.
Yes. Where's the water?
Where's the water?
It has disappeared.
It has disappeared. Yes. Wow, nice color jewels.
Yes.
This is of red color.
Yes, it's looking really amazing.
Now let's make it another color. Let's make it to blue color.
Okay, so the third step is
measure 25 ml water using the measuring cylinder and pour it into the second cup.
Okay. Now we should add 25 ml of water. Okay. So where is it? Is it 25 ml?
Little more.
Okay, no problem. Add it into the
second cup.
Second.
Next, add 2 drops of blue color in the second cup and mix well, and then add 1 scoop of crystal powder. Okay, so now we are doing it with blue color, so we need to add 2 drops of blue color.
Yes.
1, 2.
Okay.
Now we need to stir it.
Yes.
Okay, with the stirring stick.
Yes.
Wow.
So what's going to happen now?
Now, I think again it will become like this crystals.
Yes, even I think
like jewels.
But I think it would take a little more time because there is a little more water in it. Let's check. Add 1 scoop of crystal powder. Oh.
Wow. This is also swelling.
Yes. Oh, it's taking a bit time.
Because it has little more water.
Yeah. So we have to keep on stirring it. Not so fast. Okay. Now slowly it will become.
Yes. I can see it. Oh, it's becoming now.
Yeah. Slowly it is turning solid.
Yes. Now it became solid.
Yes. The crystal powder has absorbed all the water.
Yes. Now
So, what's the science behind this?
jewels.
Okay, we have got beautiful jewels here.
Now this blue color has completely turned into a solid form. Now
Yeah.
this
What's the
looks
science?
more wet. Okay. Did you see?
Oh, did you see? Yeah.
Did you see the crystals getting bigger after a minute? Did you see in the blue crystals are bigger in size than the red ones?
Oh, did we
Really?
see this?
Let's,
Oh.
yes, it is bigger. Let's make it fully. Yeah, it's bigger.
Look, it's so big. Big particles.
Yeah, big particles. This is blue. This is red. Small particles. Big particles.
Yeah, wow. This is really wonderful.
Wonderful. Now,
Okay.
science. Let's see why did this happen.
Yeah.
Absorption. Absorption is the process when one thing becomes a part of another thing. The crystal powder is made up of super absorbent material which absorbs all the colored water. In the process, the powder becomes soft colored crystals.
Oh, I didn't know this at all. Wow, it's such a great. I hope or I wish I had this absorbing power. Okay, so did you enjoy this experiment?
Yes, I have enjoyed.
Okay, so that's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video and comment below to tell us how you enjoyed. If you enjoyed this experiment, we'll meet you in the next week with another amazing experiment.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon when you subscribe
Yes,
to
and
receive all the notifications from our channel.
yes, and also share it to your friends so that they can enjoy this experiment. So till then, take care and
Bye bye.
bye bye.